Hey guys, today I'm working on a Accord V6 2008. Um, I'm changing the VCM solenoid gasket. Pretty much it sits here. Very common leak from this. It ends up here and ends up burning your alternator. And pretty much bigger issue. Honda doesn't sell these two gaskets. You have to get them either online, eBay. People out there sell them. It's a two-piece gasket. Here I have the solenoid, top of the solenoid removed. So there's one side, one old gasket, and then there's a plate that kind of sits here, sandwiches everything, the two gaskets together. This one, as you can see, it was so dry, kind of broke in half. So I got to clean this plate off, take out the rest of the gasket stuff. Pretty much clean everything nicely, and pretty much reassemble it. There's these two guide pins. Be careful, they go here and here, I believe. One goes here, and the one that goes down here. Don't lose them, they're very helpful. But that's about it, just move the harness out of the way. 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3 bolts that hold the assembly, and then you have the two gaskets. Once again, Honda doesn't sell the gaskets. Honda sells you the entire solenoid assembly. To change that, it's a much bigger process. Intake valve covers got to come off, the whole valve train's got to come off because it's all kind of integrated together, and then it's a bigger process. So we'll see if this helps. I believe it will, just by the condition of this gasket here. You can see that it's been well overdue. It's too bad Honda doesn't sell the gaskets. I think it will help out a lot. But I got these through eBay. There's one part number. That's the bottom gasket that's broken. And then here's the other part number. Looks like it's a Honda box, but it's not really Honda stuff. It came in this box. Obviously it came from China. It is what it is. At least somebody's, supplying these gaskets. Obviously somebody's making them, because they have to be made for the part. It's just they don't want to sell them individually. But that's that. So pretty much I'm gonna take that one out, clean everything. Just wipe it down, make sure it's all clean. Don't use any type of cleaners, brake cleaner. Don't try not to get anything in there. Just wipe it down, make sure it's clean. And then this is from the top, so it's 3 bolts. Same thing. This is a new gasket already in there. But just it's clean. And this is going to be cleaned, and hopefully that will fix this leak. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, subscribe. I try to make them as much as I can. A lot of this stuff is simple. That's why I try not to make every video about every single little thing out there. Well, if you like it, subscribe. Thank you.